Salam everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Darija podcast. I'm Rashid.
And I'm Selma.
Today we're talking about one simple color that reveals something fascinating about Moroccan Darija, the word for blue.
Oh, yes. This is one of those things that surprises a lot of learners.
Exactly. If you've been learning Darija, you've probably heard the word ZREG,
But then you might hear someone say ZREG.
and somewhere else, another person might say ZREG.
So naturally, people start wondering which one is correct.
The answer is actually very simple.
All of them can mean blue.
They're regional pronunciation variations of the same Moroccan Darija word.
And honestly, that's one of the things that makes Moroccan Darija so interesting.
The language changes from region to region,
City to city.
and sometimes even neighborhood to neighborhood.
Very true.
Let's start with the version most learners encounter first, ZREG.
This is probably the pronunciation you'll hear most often in learning materials.
And in many urban areas across Morocco.
So if you're a beginner, ZREG is usually the safest version to learn first,
For example, you could say, لابس زرق,
which means he's wearing blue.
or طوموبيل زرقة.
The car is blue.
Simple and useful.
Now let's talk about ZREG.
In some regions, such as Tétouan and Tangier, speakers pronounce the word with a stronger ah sound.
So instead of saying ZREG, they say ZREG.
But the meaning stays exactly the same.
A Moroccan saying ZREG and another saying ZREG understand each other perfectly.
Nobody gets confused.
It's similar to how English speakers from different countries pronounce certain words differently.
Exactly. Now let's move on to ZREG.
This one is a little less common nationally.
But you can still hear it in certain southern and rural speech varieties.
Again, it means blue.
Nothing changes in meaning.
The difference is mostly pronunciation rather than vocabulary.
So if you hear ZREG
ZREG.
or ZREG,
Don't think you're learning three different words.
you're simply hearing three regional flavors of the same word.
And this happens a lot in Morocco.
Many Darija words have multiple pronunciations depending on where people grew up,
For language learners, that's actually good news.
because you don't need to memorize three separate vocabulary items.
Just remember that they all mean blue.
My recommendation?
Learn ZREG first.
It's widely understood across Morocco.
Then, as you listen to Moroccans from different regions, you'll naturally start noticing ZREG and ZREG.
And that's one of the joys of learning Darija.
You're not only learning a language.
You're discovering the diversity of Morocco itself.
Exactly.
Now tell us in the comments,
Which version have you heard before?
ZREG
ZREG.
or ZREG?
And which city or region did you hear it in?
We'd love to know.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow and support Mr. Darija podcast.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing your Darija.
And most importantly,
Enjoy the journey.
see you next time.
Slama!